Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by auditing priority SKUs and fixing the biggest leaks. First, update product titles with top keywords and remove duplicate terms, then upload 3-6 high-quality images, including a 1/1 and 16:9 lifestyle shot. Once done, confirm accurate stock counts and variant mapping so orders don't cancel. Make sure to set clear prices after a 3-5 competitor scan, and enable a basic voucher and free shipping rule to drive conversion immediately. You now improve discoverability and traffic flow. Rewrite each listing description to answer buyer intent. Who, what, where, and how. Include measurements, warranty, and care instructions to reduce returns. Next, launch Shopee ads with 1 discovery campaign and 2 performance tests, monitor CTR and CPC for 7-14 days, and reallocate budget to top performers. Also, group products into collections and optimize filter tags so shoppers find items faster. This increases session depth and improves algorithmic ranking when conversion follows. You finish by locking operational controls and a daily review routine. Set shipping templates and SOPs, define 24-48-hour response targets, and automate order packing labels to reduce errors. Then, track conversion percentage, AOV, return rate, and fulfillment time each day and adjust promos or inventory accordingly. If things go wrong, poor sales, high returns, check the worst SKUs for image quality, incorrect specs, or pricing misalignment. Fix the single largest issue first, retest, and iterate until
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.